Problem number 1. How many ounces of pure nickel must be added to a 50-ounce alloy? 70% pure make an alloy which is 85% pure. Then let X equals ounce of pure nickel. So X plus 150 times 70% is equals to 85% times X plus 150. Then X plus 150, then we make the percent we make that decimal, so it will make 0.7 is equals to 0.85 times X plus 150. When X plus 105 is equals to 0.85x plus 127.5. We multiply the number outside the parentheses. Then, so the answer will make 105 because 150 times 0.7 is equals to 105. And 0.85 times x is equals to 0.85x, and 0.85 times 150 is equals to 127.5. Then all have the same variables. We will move at the left side. Then so x times 0.5x is equals to 127.105. Then we subtract the x is equals to 1. So 1 times 0.1 minus 0.85x is equals to 0.15x, and 127.5 minus 105 is equals to 2.22.5, and we will divide it. So 15x divide 15 is equals to x, then 22.5 divide 0.15 is equals to 150. So the final answer is x is equals to 150 ounce. Problem number 2. How many pounds of cream containing 12% butterfat must be added to 1,800 pounds of milk containing 2% butterfat to obtain milk having 3% butterfat? So let X pounds of cream. The solving this is the same at the first problem. So X times 12% plus 1,800 times 2% is equals to 3% times x plus 1,800. So that is our first equation. Then the percent we will make it to decimal. So x times 0.12 is equals to 0.12x plus 1,800 times 0.02 is equals to 36 is equals to 0.3 times x is equals to 0.3x, and 0.3 times 1,800 is equals to 54. So 0.12x plus 36 is equals to 0.3x plus 54. And have the same variables is we will move at the left side. So 0.12x minus 0.3x is equals to 54 minus 36. So the plus is 0.9x is equals to 18. because 0.12x minus 0.3x is equals to 9 and 54 minus 36 is equals to 18. So we divide it. 0.9x divide 0.9 is equals to 0. So we will bring down the x, and 18 divide 0.8 is 200 pounds. So that is the answer on our problem number 2. Problem number 3. How much water must be added to 200 gallons of mixture which is 80% alcohol to reduce it to a 75% mixture? So let x equals water must be added. 100% minus 80% is equals to 20% water. 100% minus 75% is equals to 25% water. So our first equation is x plus 200 times 20% is equals to 25% times x plus 200. So the percent, it will make it 2 decimal. So x plus 200 times 2.0 is equals to 0.25 times x plus 200. So 200 times 2.0 is equals to 40, and 0.25 times x is equals to 0.25x, and 0.25 times 200 is equals to 50. So x plus 40 is equals to 0.25x plus 50. So we move the number, have a x variables at the left side. So x minus 0.25x equals to 50 minus 40. So 0.25x, 0x minus 1 minus 0.25x equals to 0.75x, and 50 minus 40 is equals to 10. So 0.75x is equals to 10. So we divide it. We cancel the 0.75x and 10 over 0.75. So x equals to 13.33 gallon of water. That is the final answer. Problem number 4. 10 years ago, a man was 3 times as old as his son. In 6 more years, he will be twice as old his son. How old are they? So let x be the age of man and let y be the age of son. Our first equation is x minus 10 is equals to 3 times y minus 10. And our second equation is x plus 6 is equals to 2 times y plus 6. So first, we will find the value of our x, or age of the man. So x minus 10 is equals to 3 times y minus 10. So x minus 10 is equals to 3y minus 30, because 3 times y is equals to 3y, and 3 times 10 is equals to 30. And we will transpose the 10, positive 10, into the right side of the 30. So x is equals to 3y minus 30 plus 10. So we will subtract the 10 into 30. So 30 times 10 is equals to 20. So x is equals to 3y minus 20. So this will be the initial value of our x. So substitute x into the equation number 2. So x plus 6 is equals to 2 times y plus 6. and the x will be 3y minus 20 plus 6 is equals to 2 times y plus 6. And 3y minus 14 because 20 minus 6 is equals to 14 and is equals to 2y plus 12 because 2y times 2 times y is equals to 2y and 2 times 6 is equals to 12. Then we have 3y times, and we will move have a the number have a that have a y variables at the left side. So 3y minus 2y and is equals to 2 plus 14. So 3y minus 2y is equals to y and 12 plus 14 is equal to 26. So the age of the son is 26 years old. Then substitute the y. So our equation is x minus 10 is equals to 3 times y minus 10. So we have x minus 10 is equals to 3 times 26 is equals to 10 because the y is 26 at the 26 years of son. Then we have x minus 10 is equals to 3 times 16 because 26 minus 10 is equals to 16. So we have x minus 10 is equals to 48 because 3 times 16 is equals to 48. So let's transpose the 10 at the right side. So x is equals to 48 plus 10. So it is x is equals to 50 years old and the age of the man is 48 years old. Problem number 5. In 2 years, a boy will be 3/4 as old as his sister. 2 years ago, he was 2/3 as old as she. How old are they? Let B is equals to age of the boy and let S is equals to age of the girl. So our equation number 1, B plus 2 is equals to 3/4 times S plus 2. And our equation number 2, B minus 2 is equals to 2/3 times S minus 2. Then first, let's find the initial value of our B. So we'll be using the equation number 1. So we multiply both sides. We will multiply it into 4. So 4 times B is equals to 4B and 4 times 2 is equals to 8. And we will cancel the denominator, it's 3. So we copy it. And next, let's multiply. The 3 times s is equals to 3s and 3 times 2 is equals to 6. So 4b plus 8 is equals to 3s plus 6. Then let's transpose the 8 on the right side. So it will be 4b is equals to 3s plus 6 minus 8. Then we will subtract the 6 and 8, so it will be 2. So 4b is equals to 3s minus 2. Then let's divide it both side into 4. So cancel, then b is equals to 3s minus 2 over 4. So this is so this is this is our initial value. Then let's substitute. So we have substitute b. So we have b minus 2 is equals to 2/3 times s minus 2. So instead of b, we have 3s minus 2 over 4. Minus 2 is equals to 2 thirds times s minus 2. So we will multiply it into 4 times 3. So we cancel the 4, say, so 3 times 3s is equals to 9s, and 3 minus 3 times 2 is equal to 6. Then 4 times 2 is equals to 8 times 3. So we have 9s minus 6 minus 8 times 3 is equals to quantity of 2 times s minus 2, 2 times 4. Then we times the 8 times 3 is equals to 24 plus 6 is equals to 30. And so we have 9s minus 30 is equals to 8s minus 16. So so let's transpose the have a s variables at the left side. So we have 9s is equals to 8s. 9s minus 8s is equals to negative 16 plus 30. So we have s is equals to 14 years old, because 9s minus 8s is equals to s, and 16 minus 30 is equals to 14. So we have s minus s is equals to 14 years old. So substitute the s. We have b plus 2 is equals to 3/4 times s plus 2. b plus 2 is equals to 3/4, s equals to 14 plus 2. And we have we we, we add 14 plus 2 is equals to 16. So we have b plus 2 equals 3/4 16. So we multiply the numerator into 16, so we have 48 over 4. So it will be b plus 2 is equals to 48 over 4. And we will divide it, and it will be 12. So we have b plus 2 is equals to 12. Then we transpose the 2, and here sign is will be changed. So we have b is equals to 12 minus 2, and the answer is b is equals to 10 years old, because 12 minus 2 is equals to 10. So we have b is equals to 10 years old. So that is our final answer.